Hey guys, so we are back with another question, and in this question we have to find out the number of different signals that can be generated by arranging at least two flags in order, one below the other on a vertical staff if five flags are available, right? So we have to arrange at least two flags and we have five flags available. So because we have to arrange at least two flags, so we are going to have cases here, right? So let us consider the first case. For the first case, if we are arranging two flags, so it could be possible that if this is a vertical staff, we are going to have two flags. So these are the two flags. For the first flag, the number of options that we have are going to be five because five flags are available. And for the second flag, only four flags would be available, right? Because one flag is going to get used up here. Now, because both the flags have to be arranged, we are going to use the fundamental principle of multiplication, which is going to be 5 into 4. So this becomes 5 into 4, which is going to be equal to 20, right? Now let us come to the second case. For the second case, we could have that three flags are arranged on the vertical staff. So when three flags are arranged, for the first flag we have five options, for the second we have four options, and for the third we have three options. So again we'll use the fundamental principle of multiplication. So it would be the number of options would be 5 into 4 into 3, which is 20 into 3, which is going to be 60. So for the second case we have 60 ways. Now coming to the third case, we could also have the vertical staff having four different flags. So when it has four different flags, the number of options are 5 for the first one, 4 for the second, 3 for the first, and 2 for the fourth one, right? So again, by using fundamental principle of multiplication, the total number of ways would be 5 into 4, which is 20, 20 into 3 is 60, 60 into 2 is 120, right? So finally, for the third case, we are going to have 120 ways again. Now coming to the last case, for the last case, now we could also have that all the five flags get arranged on the vertical staff. So if all five flags are getting arranged, for the first we have five options, for the second we have four, for the third flag we have three options, and for the fourth flag we have two options, and for the last flag we'll be remaining only with a single flag, right? Now again, by using fundamental principle of multiplication, our answer would be 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, which is going to be equal to 120 again. Now because these are four different cases, now to find out our final answer we have to use the fundamental principle of addition, right? That is very important here. Now because these are different cases, that is why we are going to add, right? So the addition of all the cases is going to be 20 plus 60, which is 80, 80 plus 120 is 200, and 200 plus 120 is 320. So our final answer is going to be 320. So which means that 320 different signals can be generated by arranging at least two flags in order, and where five different flags are available. So this is going to be our final solution. Thank you.